First thing first, I'm going to start applying foundation by Phoera Beauty in the code 105 Sand. Then I cover up my dark under eyes and my blemishes using Dermacol concealer, code 213. Once that is done, I lock my base using translucent powder. This one is by Revlon. It's in the code translucent 02. I use white eyeliner by Deborah Milano to sketch out the area that's gonna be my tearing skin. It doesn't have to be perfect. This line is just for reference. For my shading, I use Chocolate Ganache from La Macaroons Quintet palette. To darken up and define my eyebrows, I use black face paint from Imagic Cosmetics. For my right eye, I'm going to take Diva Vanilla from the same La Macaroons Quintet palette. This is the champagne white color, and place it on top of my brows. Then I use pink color called Strawberry Gem and apply from the inner corner of my lid and also the inner corner of my lower lashes. Next, I use purple eyeshadow from Ucanbe Spotlight palette to create wing effect on the outer corner of my eyes, and then I connect it to my lower lashes. From the same palette, I dab some lavender purple on top of my eyelid. I go back with Diva Vanilla and place it on the inner corner of my eye. For my left eye, I start by applying yellow eyeshadow on top of my lid and also on my lower lashes. Next, I take this bright orange eyeshadow and again creating some wing effect on the outer corner of my eyes, connecting it to my lower lashes as well. I dab some golden eyeshadow on top of my eyelid, placing Diva Vanilla also at the inner corner of my eye. To create wing liners on both eyes, I apply black liquid eyeliner by C Code. To fill in both my upper and lower waterline, I use Rimmel London Scandal Eyes eyeliner in the color of black. Before I apply my mascara and lashes, I'm gonna start doing my face paint. So starting with the black face paint, I'm gonna draw and define the lines where I sketch out using the white eyeliner before. Since the clown has red nose as their signature looks, I'm gonna do that as well, but I'm not gonna do any round shape or whatever. I'm still gonna go ahead and do some tearing shape as well. Once that is done, I use red face paint to fill in those shapes. Next, I use a detail art brush and apply white face paint and blend it out using a tapered dense brush. This one is by Sigma. Once I apply the paint, I blend it out using the brush with no products in it because I want to make sure that the color blends nicely to the skin. Then I use the black eyeshadow to deepen up the red color, and at the same time creating shadows to show that the red colors, the red parts, are underneath the skin. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I personally love to do more details whenever I do some face paint because it adds more definition, artistic style, and it also very beautiful. And then I apply brown eyeshadows wherever I apply the white face paint to show that the skin is in distress and pulling apart. Finally, I apply mascara by Silky Girl and Demi Wispy Lashes that I bought online to complete this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am absolutely happy how this look turns out, and I am in love with this clown inspired emoji makeup look. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this kind of videos, and hit that like button if you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and don't forget to follow me in my other social media as well, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.